Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our maths class and our today's topics are number names, missing numbers and comparing numbers. I hope you all are enjoying our lectures. So let's begin with our today's topic. So our first topic is number names. Okay, we have already studied the number names up to 10. Okay, but we will revise it once again. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Okay. Now next 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Okay, next 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. O-N-E 1. 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-O 2. 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-H-R-E-E 3. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. F-O-U-R 4. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y F-I-V-E 5. Next 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-I-X 6. 26. 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-E-V-E-N 7. 27. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 E-I-G-H-T 8. 28. 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 N-I-N-E 9. 29. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Next, what will come next? 31. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 O-N-E 1. 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 T-W-O 2. 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 T-H-R-E-E 33. Next 34. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 F-O-U-R 4. 34. 35. THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. Next 36. THIRTY 30. SIX 6. 36. THIRTY 30. SEVEN 7. 37. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 38. 39. THIRTY 30. NINE 9. 39. 40 40. FORTY 40. Okay, next 41. 41. 41. FORTY 40. ONE 1. 42. 42. FORTY 40. TWO 2. 43. 43. 43. FORTY 40. THREE 43. 44. 44. FORTY 40. FOUR 44. 45. 45. FORTY 40. FIVE 5. 45. Next 46. 46. FORTY 40. SIX 6. 46. 47. 47. FORTY 40. SEVEN 7. 47. 48. 48. FORTY 40. EIGHT 8. 48. 49. 49. FORTY 40. NINE 9. 49. 50. 50. FIFTY. Okay, so today we have learned number names up to 50. You all have to practice this number names. Okay, our next topic is missing numbers. Right? We will do today missing numbers up to 50. 50. 50. Okay, first see. There is 2 blank before 2. So, what will come before 2? 1. Right? And before 1 comes 0. Okay? Now, we will move forward. So, after 2, 3. After 3, 4 is already given. So, after 4, 5. Okay? Next, second. So, what will come before 12? 11. 1, 1, 11. So, what will come after 12? 1, 3, 13. Then 1, 4, 14. Then 1, 5, 15. Then after 15, 16 is already given. So, what will come after 16? 1, 7, 17. Okay, next. The first number is 30. So, what will come after 30? 3, 1, 31. Then 3, 2, 32. Then comes 3, 3, 33. Then 3, 4, 34. And then 3, 5, 35. And the last number is already given. 3, 6, 36. Okay. In the same manner we will do the next question. Fourth. What will come after 16? 1, 7, 17. Then 1, 8, 18. Then 19 is already given. So what will come after 19? 2, 0, 20. Then 2, 1, 21. And at last 22 is already given. Next, fifth. 43 is the first number. So what will come after 43? 4, 4, 44. Then 45 is already given. So what will come after 45? 4, 6, 46. Then comes 4, 7, 47. Then 4, 8, 48. And the last number is 4, 9, 49. Okay. Next, what will come before 36? 3, 5, 35. And then 36 is already given. So what will come after 36? 3, 7, 37. Then after 37, 38 is already given. So what will come after 38? 39. And then 40, 40. Okay. In this way you have to complete this missing numbers in your textbook. Okay, our next topic is comparing numbers. See here, there are two images given. In the first one, the girl's name is Sarah. Sarah has 7 balloons. See, count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So Sarah has 7 balloons. And next to Sarah is the boy. And his name is Samir. Samir has 3 balloons. See, 1, 2 and 3. 3 balloons, right? Next, see, Sarah has more balloons than Samir. Yes, Sarah was having 7 balloons and Samir with the 3 balloons. So 7 is more than 3, right? We say 7 is greater than 3. So we will write like this. We write this as 7. For greater than, we will write this symbol. This is the symbol for the greater than sign. Okay, so 7 is greater than 3. Next, Samir has less balloons than Sarah. So 3 is less than 7. We say 3 is smaller than 7. We write this as 3 smaller than 7. For smaller than, we will put the opposite symbol of greater than. Okay. For greater than, this symbol, and for smaller than, this. Okay. Next, see, this is the exercise. Draw a star in the circle with the greater number. See here, the first one, in this box, there are 2 fish, 1 and 2. And in the next box, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 fish. So we have to put a star in which there are more number of fishes, right? So 5 is greater than 2. So here the star has been kept. Okay. The next one we will do. See here there are mouse. Okay. Here 1 and 2. Only 2 mouse are there. Okay. So in the box I have written 2. And in the next box 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 mouse are there. So which one is greater, 2 or 4? Yes, 4. So we will put a star here. Okay. Yes, this was the example of greater number. Okay. Now take the circle with the smaller number. Now see here, there are carrots. In the first box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carrots are there. See here, there is a mistake. So 5 will come. And here 1 and 2. 2 carrots are there. So we have to put a tick where there are less number of carrots. So 2 is smaller than 5. So here the tick is already given. Next, there are stars. See, we will count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in the box we will write 7. And in the next box there are 2 stars. So we will write 2. But here we have to take the smaller number. So 2 is smaller than 7. So we will put a tick here. Okay. So these 3 topics, missing numbers, number names and comparing numbers, are clear. Okay. So here we end our session. Thank you.